as the term suggests, bailable offences are those offences in which bail is granted, and on the other hand, non-bailable offences are those offences in which bail may be granted and may not be granted. So hello guys, welcome to another new video in which today I, Preet Verma, will be discussing about what are bailable and non-bailable offences and as well as their differences. So let's begin with the session. So bailable and non-bailable offences are basically defined under section 2 clause A of the Criminal Procedure Code, and it reads as bailable offence means an offence which is shown as bailable in the first schedule or which is made bailable by any other law for the time being in force. And on the other hand, non-bailable offence means any other offence. Now you guys might be having the question in your mind that what comes under first schedule, right? So I will be explaining you in a simple language. So there are some examples of bailable offences which are included in the first schedule. For example, being a member of an unlawful assembly, public servant disobeying a direction of the law with intent to cause injury to any person, giving or fabricating false evidence in a judicial proceeding, refusing oath when duly required to take oath by a public servant, obstructing public servant in discharge of his public functions, or selling any food or drink as food and drink knowing the same to be noxious, and many more like this. Furthermore, in case of bailable offence, the grant of bail is a matter of right. It may be either given by the police officer who is having the custody of the accused or by the court. The accused may be released on bail on executing a bail bond with or without furnishing securities. The bail bond may contain terms and conditions which are need to be followed by the person released on bail, and the court is empowered to refuse bail on an accused person even the offence is bailable, where the person granted bail fails to comply with the conditions of the bail bond. So I hope now you guys have understood the meaning of bailable offences. So let's move on the second concept, that is non-bailable offences. So as we have already seen the definition of non-bailable offences in the same section in which I have defined the bailable offence above, which says that non-bailable offence means any other offence. So it means non-bailable offences are those offences which degree or intensity is severe, such as offences against the state, sedition, dowry death, threatening any person to give false evidence, murder, rape, etc. So guys, let's discuss the major differences between bailable and non-bailable offences. So guys, here I am explaining the major differences through the following customized table, in which first column explains the basis of differences and second and third column define the bailable and non-bailable offences respectively. So let's start with the differences. So first basis is definition. So bailable and non-bailable offences both are defined under section 2 clause A of Criminal Procedure Code. So here as you can see, both the terms are defined in the same section. Second basis of difference is provision under CRPC. So provisions about bailable offences are basically laid down under section 436 of CRPC, whereas provisions about non-bailable offences are laid down under section 437 of CRPC. Third basis of difference is degree of crime. So basically, bailable offences includes petty crime or less serious in nature, whereas non-bailable offences includes serious or heinous crimes. Fourth basis of difference is quantum of punishment. So all offences under local or special law carrying imprisonment up to 3 years or less are bailable unless specially provided by the Act. Whereas all other offences which are generally having imprisonment more than 3 years and affect the whole society are included in non-bailable offences. So fifth basis of difference is who can grant the bail. So basically the investigating officer can grant the bail in bailable offences, whereas only the magistrate or judge can grant the bail in case of non-bailable offences. Sixth basis of difference is bail as a matter of right. So in bailable offences, bail may be claimed as a matter of right, whereas in non-bailable offences, bail cannot be claimed as a matter of right as it depends on the discretion of the court. And seventh, the last basis of the difference is scope of remand. There is no scope of remand, especially when the accused to police custody is prepared to give bond in case of bailable offence, whereas there is scope of remand in case of non-bailable offence. So hope you guys now understood the meaning of bailable and non-bailable offences as well as difference between them. So see you in the next video with another new interesting topic. Bye bye.